Hello there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to add timer on Snapchat. So for this, let's open our Snapchat app. Once the app is open, now here in the right side, you find this plus button. Click on it. And once you click, now scroll down and there we have this timer option. So click on this plus button in front of timer. And now the timer is added in the list. Now if you click on this timer button, so from here you can add video timer. So you can set the timing from here, like record the video for 5 seconds, 6 seconds, and then click on set timer. Now if I simply click on the click button, so the timer started and the video will automatically record it. Now if you want a timer to click photos, so for that we need to go back again and click on this plus button, and there we have timer. Click on the plus button again. Once the timer is added, now click here and the timer will start and photo will automatically click. So in this way you can add timer on Snapchat for photos and videos. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.